Hi, it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen, and today I'm making egg muffins. These egg muffins are the best for a make-ahead and high-protein breakfast that'll keep you full for hours. Plus, they pack in the veggies first thing in the morning. Heat the oil in a large skillet. Add the onion, bell pepper, and carrots, and cook until slightly tender. Add the mushrooms and cook until they release their juices. Season well and stir in the spinach. Cook until all the liquid from the spinach has been absorbed and removed from heat. In a large mixing bowl, stir together cottage cheese, eggs, and cheese. Once combined, stir in the vegetable mixture. Pour the mixture into prepared muffin tin or baking dish and bake in the preheated oven until eggs are set. Remove from oven and let cool about 5 minutes before serving. Promptly refrigerate leftovers. These keep well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days and frozen for up to 1 month. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share.